and welcome to Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to show you around this gorgeous Range Rover Sport Autobiography Dynamic in Santorini Black. This car is a 4.4 V8, it's previously had 2 owners and comes with approved used warranty, meaning you get 12 months minimum along with 24/7 roadside assistance. Taking a look closer at the car, you have xenon headlamps with LED signature. You also have 22-inch alloys along with red brake calipers, giving the car a sporty appearance. Looking into the back, you have plenty of space there for 3 passengers, along with a centre armrest, ensuring every journey is as comfortable as possible. You also have heated seats in the back. And going round to the back, you have a powered tailgate, which is useful if you've got your hands full, and plenty of space there in the boot for items such as golf clubs and pushchairs. Going towards the front, you do also have keyless entry, so I can tap here to lock the car and pull the handle to unlock the car as long as the key's nearby. Memory seats, ideal if there's several people driving the vehicle. A Meridian sound system for better quality sound. Illuminated Range Rover script tread plates. Electrically adjustable seats and a lovely ebony leather interior. A sliding panoramic roof, which is great to open on a nice sunny day. And then looking at your wheel, you have different controls, so you have hands-free, enabling you to make calls whilst on the go. You can also adjust the screen, whether that's the layout, you want to view your settings or car information. Cruise control and a speed limiter, handy for motorways, and a heated steering wheel for a cold winter morning. Touchscreen with different functions including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to connect your phone. You also have heated and cooled front seats, ideal for winter and summer. If I put the car into reverse, you'll see you've got a rear view camera along with a 360-degree surround camera, which really does make parking and reversing so much easier. Cooler compartment, handy if you go on long journeys and want to keep refreshments cold. And stepping back outside the car, that was a stunning Range Rover Sport in Santorini Black at Stafford Land Rover. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 899 446. Thank you.